Hang your bucket on the hook. Put a lid on it. All right, it's day 4. Hello. This was 2 gallons that I put on a couple hours ago, and it's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good, honestly. We did it. It's February. We're in Michigan. It's time to tap some maple trees. Find yourself a maple tree that you've identified in the fall, and find a nice big branch and a nice big root. You need a drill. If you don't have one, just borrow one from your wife. Put a little piece of tape on the drill bit, 2.5 inches in. That's how far we'll drill into the tree. And get a spot that's a comfortable height, maybe 3 feet. Start drilling. You're gonna have to push pretty hard for this. Get a spile and a hook. Hang your hook like so, and stick it in the hole and start tapping. Hang your bucket on the hook. Put a lid on it. All right, it's day 4. Hello. Looking pretty good. I think we have like a gallon. I think it's time to boil. Bucket's looking pretty full. Let's start boiling it down. I'm gonna take the bucket off the tree. Oh God, it's heavy. Now we wait, I guess. I put this was 2 gallons that I put on a couple hours ago. It's looking pretty good. Kind of skim off the foam here. Dump it in the sink. This gallon is still pretty clear, but it's starting to get hot. You can see how it's like getting darker as it boils down. Grab a little bowl here. Sample a little scoop. Blow on it, it's kind of hot. Oh, that's good. It's getting sweeter and thicker. Filter it. Looking pretty good, honestly. We did it. Gotta have a taste. Bon appetit.